To capture event recordings in Rosco Live, when you are integrated with GeoTab, all you need to do is set the rule notification or the alert in GeoTab to download a video clip. Go to the notification section in your rule, click the More button, and select Web Request. Here we're going to choose to auto-upload a snapshot and a video to Rosco Live. We're going to click Add, and then we're going to save the rule. I'm going to go ahead and do that for all of the hard driving rules. And also for the speeding rule in this database. If you just wanted to upload a snapshot or just a video, you can also choose those. And that's how easy it is.